Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 2. When the production possibility curve shifts outwards, the economy experiences A. Growth, B. Overproduction, C. Inefficient use of resources, D. Underproduction. Now, a production possibility curve, abbreviated as PPC, is a graph, refers to a graph or a curve showing the possible combinations of different commodities that can be produced in a given economy. Now, there's a condition, and this condition, given that the prevailing level of technology, if all available productive resources are efficiently utilized. So as we have stated here, it is just a curve that shows possible combinations of various commodities that can be produced, right? That can be produced based on the prevailing level of technology, based on the technology available, and if all productive resources are utilized efficiently. Now, in a production possibility curve, there are two ways it could shift. It could shift outward. It could also shift inward. Now, when it shifts outward, when the PPC shifts outward, it means that output is increasing. And when it shifts inwards, it means that output is decreasing. So from the question, we're asked what happens when it shifts outwards, and we have established the fact that the output is increasing. And when output is increasing, there's likely to be overproduction of resources. So overproduction, option B, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.